Hello, language enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shasharabha Pereira, and today we are diving into the depths of English grammar to unravel the mysteries of the past perfect tense. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed us already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss on language learning content. Now let's get started with the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is a verb form used to express an action that was completed before another action took place in the past. It adds a layer of specificity to our narratives. Let's break it down. The structure of the past perfect tense is quite simple. It's formed by combining had with the past participle of the main verb. For example, had eaten, had gone, had studied. Now let's see it in action. Imagine you have two events in the past and you want to show which one happened first. For an instant, yesterday I arrived at the airport at 6 p.m. However, my flight had already departed by 5:30 p.m. Here, had departed is the past perfect tense, indicating that the departure occurred before my arrival. To identify when to use the past perfect tense, look out for signal words such as before, after, until, already, and by the time. These words give you a clue that you might need to use the past perfect. For an example, by the time I reached the cinema, the movie had already started. Here, had already started emphasizes that the movie started before I reached the cinema. Now let's practice this with an activity. You can pause the video and do the activity and check your answers. And there you have it, the past perfect tense demystified. Practice is the key, so take some time to apply what you learned in your own writing and conversations. Now I want to hear from you. Share your own examples of the past perfect tense in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video. If you found it helpful, please share it with your fellow language learners. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language. See you soon. Bye.